How can you read picture graphs? Think about this question during the lesson. How many hockey teams are in the East Falls League? Let's look at this picture graph to find out. Information you collect is called data. A scaled picture graph, sometimes called a pictograph, uses pictures or symbols to show this information. The scale on the picture graph is the number each picture or symbol represents or stands for. The key on the picture graph explains the scale used in the graph. Look at the graph. What do the two hockey sticks that make an X stand for? They stand for two teams. What does a single hockey stick stand for? It stands for one team. What will you count by? Twos? Ones?
Select your answer.
You will count by twos and ones to find the answers. Use the picture graph key. Look at the data for the East Falls League. Select a row in the pictograph to see what it means. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 7. There are 7 teams in the East Falls League. 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 5. There are 5 teams in the North Falls League. 2 plus 2 equals 4. There are 4 teams in the South Falls League. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals 11. There are 11 teams in the West Falls League. There are 3 groups of 2 hockey sticks and 1 group of 1 hockey stick in the East Falls League row. The 3 groups of 2 hockey sticks represent 3 times 2 equals 6 teams. The 1 group of 1 hockey stick represents 1 times 1 equals 1 team. 6 teams plus 1 team equals 7 teams. There are 7 teams in the East Falls League. How many more teams does the East Falls League have than the South Falls League? Use the picture graph to help you write equations and compare these 2 rows. The East Falls League has 3 groups of 2 hockey sticks and 1 group of 1 hockey stick. 3 times 2 plus 1 equals 7. The South Falls League has 2 groups of 2 hockey sticks. 2 times 2 equals 4. Now subtract. 7 minus 4 equals 3. The East Falls League has 3 more teams than the South Falls League. What is another way to find out how many more teams the East Falls League has than the South Falls League? Without calculating or writing equations, you can use the picture graph to see that there are 3 more hockey sticks in the East Falls row than in the South Falls row. Now you know how to read a picture graph and analyze and compare the information it shows.